This is my demo for PA6 for the Space Invaders project. I have a ship that can move left and right by pressing the left and right arrows. If it hits the left edge, it'll stop. I can shoot a missile, but I can't shoot more than one. I can delete aliens by hitting them with a missile, and they have an animation that they do. I can also have the ship get hit by a missile or by a bomb, and it'll be destroyed, and it'll come back with one less life, as shown in the bottom left corner. I have a shield made up of a lot of small bricks. I can toggle the collision boxes on and off for the whole game by pressing the letter T. If I shoot a missile towards the ceiling, it'll animate in that fashion. I have the score updating for every alien that dies. So yeah, this is what I have so far. I'm making some good progress.